And I know the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I am certain. I live a life full. I travel each and every highway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets, I live a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so I tried, without exception. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the way, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I assure you now, when I feel more than I could chew, but I tried when there was a door. I in the speed I out, I faced I all, and I stood at all, and did I make way. I love launch and create. I live on my field, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I find I all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, nothing shy away. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what this morning, what does he hope? If not himself, then he has now to say the things he truly feels, and all the words of no one to kneels. The record shows I to the blows, and yes, it was my